Okay, let's have one more features. This truck rolls easily. We cannot use steerings because Lego models don't have steerings. When you push the truck to the bend, like this. Of course, the opening doors use as fingers to open it like this. But the truck decides to move. Okay. Now to the other side. You can use your finger knob to open the door. Okay. Now let's move on to the trailer. The trailer moves on its own, but the squeaky legs are still noisy, but it's still unstable and is not connected to the truck. Now, the review of the doors open. First, we need to hook up the trailer to the truck immediately. As you can see, the pin is quite slots into the fifth wheel, which is quite easily. Now the last feature at the back of the truck has the opening doors. Hang on, this wheel is loose during my review. Okay, that's the doors. You can see still the deliveries in there. And thank you for watching for my reviews, and I will review at the next truck of this night. See you next time. Bye.